Today I'm going to be changing out this valve cover gasket on this 2000 MR2, Toyota MR2. What I noticed is that it leaks around here. Like, I have a leak and it leaks around where the seal is right here for the valve cover. It's not a pretty big leak, but if I keep driving, it does tend to drip out. And then of course it'll drip out to the headers, and then I'll have this like burning smell. So I'm gonna change that out today. What I'm gonna do first is remove these so I can have more room in here. What I'll do first is mark these just so I get an idea of how much to torque it or where to tighten it to. Here's a trick: if you don't have any leverage, grab yourself a hammer and hammer on the neck. Okay, now that the bar is off, I'm just gonna go ahead and put these in place so I don't lose them. Just thread it in a little bit. There's one right here, one right here. Well, this one's already missing, and there should be one right here. Okay, now I got that cover off. I'm pretty sure it's the valve cover, a gasket, because it has leaks everywhere. Well, not everywhere, but there's a bolt here. These ones, this one, and I think this one also. One right here, one right there, 1, 2, 3 in the front. So let me go ahead and first I'll remove the coils and any wiring that's gonna get in the way. So I'll go ahead and do that. I'm just removing the plugs for the coils. Try not to lose these bolts. That's what it looks like. Reference for me, so I don't forget what it looks like. Okay, got this out of the way. One right here, 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 and here. And also you're gonna remove these as well. You guys don't have to like lean over as much. I'm just gonna try to keep these in order. That way I don't screw myself over. See, there's some oil right here. Okay, now I got that off. Still gonna work on the ones back here. So you got to remove this hose as well. This is attached to your PCV valve, and then there's also one here, another hose you got to take off. So 1 and 2. Okay. Whew. That's what I'm talking about. All right. Now I'm just gonna try to slowly pry it open. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Get that out of the way. Oh yeah, it's definitely. Oh yeah, these are very brittle. Look at that. You see how easy that was? It's pretty much hard plastic. So I pulled it out, and some parts were already cracking. Like this, for example. It's supposed to be rubber, but it just, now it feels like plastic, like hard plastic. So I'm pretty confident that was the issue. So now I'm just gonna wait on the part. While I wait on the part, I'm gonna go ahead and just clean this. But honestly, the engine is not bad. I mean, it definitely needs an oil change. But yeah, like, so far so good. I like it. So all I'm doing right now is just cleaning it up with some acetone. So I'm putting a dab right here where the case meets. And there's one also back there, kind of near the timing chain. So I'm just putting a little pea size on there. Oh, how you doing? Oh man, thank you. You too. I've been waiting for this part too. RTV right here. and then also right there. Sorry, I'm running out of light. But you'll know, like that's where the two metals are touching. But you also got to clean the valve cover. So yeah, all you got, I mean, you could use brake cleaner to clean off the stuff. And it came with these. I'll show you what these are for. First, you got to find the shape. Got to find the shape. And like you'll know because you'll be able to press it in. So what I'm doing is just working the edges first. You don't want to go like this because then it's gonna stretch it out. So all I'm doing is just finding the corners and then pushing it down. And that's it. Let's go ahead and reinstall it. Okay. Now let's just put the bolts back together. Oh yeah, so those rubber pieces earlier, it's from the middle ones back here or over here. Or right here, 1 and 2. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off and replace it. We got the new one on there now. So what I'm doing right now is just hand tightening it, put all the screws in its place. So that's all I'm doing right now. Luckily, I numbered these earlier. I'm gonna be doing like a crisscross pattern. Right here, right there, right there, right there. Kind of more like a star-shaped pattern. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, that's good. Now I just gotta put this hose back on. Okay. Just looking for leaks, and as of right now, I don't see any leaks. It would, the older one, it would have a seep right here, like it would start to leak out right here. And it's not a lot, but you can tell it's leaking from where the gasket is. And also right here where I put that dab of RTV, it was leaking right there, but now I don't see anything coming out of there, so that's good news. Yeah, so far so good. I'm definitely gonna go take it out for a test drive and then come back.